question. Today my project is about water body conservation. So this is the water tank, this is the water pump, this is the vein, this is the lake. There are so many types of water bodies like lakes, rivers, ponds, seas, etc. But my model is about lake. When heavy rain occurs, excess water will be sent to drainage. To avoid this, we should build a water tank. The water pump collects water to the water tank, and the water will be used in summer season because we fish for water in summer season. This is the basic model of water body conservation. In this model we have only one water tank. We can build more water